Mr. Miller is the data protection officer for a company and is thereby obliged to guarantee the best level of protection possible for confidential data. A professional service provider should be commissioned to destroy, in compliance with the EU-GDPR, all personal data which are no longer being used. Many of these data shredding companies are indeed certified, but nevertheless work with non-secure mechanical locks, the keys for which can often also be used to open the collection containers of other firms. This does not meet the requirements of the EU GDPR. Mr. Miller takes data protection seriously and therefore makes a point of choosing a provider which works with the SECOLO system. This system makes use of intelligent electronic locks and RFID cards. This way, Mr. Miller has the exclusive right to unlock his collection containers, thus fulfilling the security which is required. The lock records all events so that the process of destruction is fully documented. Additional security is provided by acoustic alarming when the lid has not been locked again. Mr. Miller knows that in order to fully comply with the EU GDPR, he must also take care to protect data storage media, which are not intended for destruction. Following a consultancy session with the company FMTec, Mr. Miller acquires his own SECOLO system for all security-critical applications. Internal letters and sensitive storage devices are now also protected from theft, manipulation, unauthorized reading, and copying. Mr. Miller is happy to be able to fulfill his responsibilities as a data protection officer. He immediately tells his colleagues about the unique SECOLO system, explaining that FMTec has appropriate security solutions for all areas of application.